We present the One Home Programmable Amplifier, the only amplifier on the market for small installations with 10 programmable UHF filters at input, with capacity to process up to 5 channels each. However, the most outstanding feature of the new One series is its easy installation and adjustment, as we can see below. In this example, we will adjust the signals of a UHF antenna and an FM antenna. After fitting the equipment to the wall, connect the 2 input and output cables. Plug the device into the mains. The device will switch on automatically and the menu will display the language selection. Choose your preferred language. Next, select the Auto Install option and the device will start to search for all available channels. When the process is complete, connect your measurement equipment to the test output and check the result. The menu will now ask you to select the output level. Adjust as required. And it's done.